You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today. Mazda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough 160-point detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda Certified means that you have a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 12-month, 12,000-mile limited vehicle warranty, 0 deductible on covered repairs, and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic Certified Pre-Owned program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.